if you're going to spend $200,000 in an alimony trial, you have to consider that. Because what's the difference if you pay your attorney $200,000 or you pay your wife $200,000? At least if you pay your wife $200,000, it's tax deductible, because alimony is tax deductible to the payor and taxable to the payee. So that's always a consideration. And while a lot of guys will say tax deducted, big deal. Well, let me tell you something. I paid alimony for 12 years. It counts. If you're paying big alimony, $100,000 a year or more, and you get to deduct that dollar for dollar off of your income, well, all of a sudden, you're making $100,000 less for tax purposes. That means you got $100,000 tax-free of your income. And it helps, especially when you're paying for college, you're paying child support, you're paying alimony. There's not a lot left. So what you do is you take every break you can get. The problem is with alimony is many times if you're paying that kind of alimony, you're over the amount of money made a year where you could use the children as exemptions. If you make, I believe it's $170,000 a year or in that area, you can't even use the kids as exemptions. So the other spouse is going to get them, even though you need them to help defray your income. It's called the phase out. It changed over the years. I believe it's $170 now. So if the guy's making $250, he's going to have the alimony as a deduction, dollar for dollar, but the wife is going to have the kids and be head of household because she has custody. So alimony tax deduction is important.